Today, we're discussing the exciting world of trucking and helping you lay the groundwork for a successful business plan. Whether you're an experienced trucker or just starting out, having a solid business plan is crucial for steering your new venture in the right direction. First things first, what is a trucking business plan? Simply put, it's a roadmap for your business. It outlines your goals, strategies, and the steps you'll take to reach them. Think of it as your GPS for business success. Now, let's break it down step by step. The first part of your business plan should focus on what your trucking business is all about. This means defining your services, understanding your target market, and knowing your competition. Are you going to offer long-haul trucking or maybe local delivery? Who are your customers? Answering these questions will help you carve out your niche in the market. Next up, financial planning. This is where you need to get into the nitty-gritty of numbers. Estimate your startup costs, from buying or leasing trucks to insurance and licensing fees. Don't forget ongoing expenses like fuel, maintenance, and driver salaries. Planning your budget carefully can save you from unexpected bumps down the road. Speaking of licensing, the trucking industry is heavily regulated. You'll need to comply with federal and state regulations, which can be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, FMCSA Registration.com, the #1 online service provider for the transportation industry, can help you navigate this process. We assist motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. Marketing is another key component of your business plan. How will potential customers find you? Will you rely on word of mouth or invest in online advertising? A strong marketing strategy can make all the difference in getting your business off the ground. Finally, consider your long-term goals. Where do you see your business in 5 years? 10 years? Setting clear objectives will keep you motivated and help measure your success over time. Remember, a well-thought-out business plan isn't just a formality. It's your guide to building a thriving trucking business. If you need more help, we are here to assist with all your registration needs. With our expertise, you can focus on what you do best, driving your business forward. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on the trucking industry. Safe travels on your business journey.